In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your own n8n custom node. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own code into an n8n workflow using the built-in code node, so you can extend automations with your own logic in either JavaScript or Python. First, open your workflow in the n8n editor. At the top right of the canvas, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon to add a new node to your workflow. This opens the node picker so you can quickly find what you need. In the search bar that appears, type code. You'll see the code node show up in the results. Select it to drop it into your workflow. This node is designed specifically for running your own snippets, utilities, or transformations without leaving n8n. Next, choose your language. The code node supports both JavaScript and Python. Pick the one that fits your project or your comfort level. JavaScript is great for quick item-by-item transformations and async calls, while Python is handy if you prefer its syntax or need Python native operations. The moment you select a language, the configuration panel for that choice will appear. Now you're ready to bring in your code. In the config panel, you can paste your custom code directly or import it if you have it saved elsewhere. Keep your function focused on the data you expect in and out of the node. For JavaScript, use async patterns when calling external services and return data as items so it flows cleanly to the next node. For Python, ensure you handle inputs and outputs consistently and keep the execution time reasonable. Clear comments and small testable chunks go a long way here. Once your code is in place, the code node will appear on the workflow canvas just like any other node. From here, connect it to the rest of your workflow. Drag from the output of a previous node into the code node's input to feed it data, and then connect the code node's output to whatever should happen next. This way, your custom logic becomes a seamless step in your automation. A few quick tips as you finalize things. Name your code node clearly so it's easy to recognize later. Add a short description for context, and handle errors gracefully inside your code so failures are informative rather than disruptive. Avoid hard-coding sensitive information. Keep secrets managed securely. And that's it. You clicked the plus icon, searched for and selected the code node, chose JavaScript or Python, pasted or imported your custom code, and connected it on the canvas. You're ready to build powerful, tailored automations with your own logic inside n8n.